Yo.
Yo!
Yeah, he's still in makeup, or he
Still makeup.
or he broke his back. I don't
Obviously,
know what that
it's painful makeup today. I don't know what he's doing back there.
Yeah. I'm the one with the bad back now.
I lost one of the props.
How's everybody doing out there? Waiting for your coffee? So
long dog, yeah.
Yeah, the usual people are already here. Lon is here. PM is here. Warwick is here. I saw Gordon. I saw Greg, of course.
Yeah.
Embedded hobbyist. Good. Hey, my friend Robert Waterfield. You are a regular around now too, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, and Carl's in the white-looking T-shirt. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I only do. Yeah, waiting for Half-Life 3. You know.
Yeah, I got this as a gift from my wife's cousin. He came from the U.S. and this is a Mexican death festival.
Things La Muerte or something. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So,
Brenton, hi, my friend.
Nice T-shirt. I like it. Unfortunately, it's black, and here with black T-shirts outside, I only had black ones left. 45-degree weather and a black T-shirt.
Day of the Dead.
Day of the Dead. There we go.
It's what's the day in English?
Dia de los Muertos.
It's so easy, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
WSW Inc. Hi back to you.
Color test. Yeah.
And you use it. Okay. Yeah. It looks like all the spectrum colors.
Aperture.
Yeah.
Aperture Laboratories.
Yeah, waiting for Half-Life 3, you know.
Yeah. You can wait a little longer. Same like GTA 6.
No, April 2026.
Yeah, they said that.
I announced that. Yeah,
I've lost it.
I'm happy.
Yeah.
Look, it's coming.
I've lost
Look
it.
at it come in.
It's here somewhere.
Yeah,
He lost everything.
Yeah, they did a great job in makeup.
So I've lost the thing I'm looking for, which we needed for the one of the things today. So we'll have to start with the other one.
Okay, I'll start off with mine then.
Okay, Carlos, and Carlos. Oh, can you ask everybody out there? Did you like the?
They can hear you.
Sorry,
They can hear you.
they can hear me. Did they like the title? For
Oh,
the
I
live
don't.
stream?
If they're coming in now, they probably haven't seen the title.
So the title for tonight's live stream is "The Dildo of Consequence Rarely Comes Lubed."
Takes a moment, right?
The dildo of consequence rarely arrives lubed.
Very accurate, but Jesus Christ.
That came up with this one. Rarely arrives lubed. I love that.
Yeah, Eric, you're coming around, right? Yeah.
Well, he says yes, but Flux is your friend.
Flux lobe. Oof.
Okay. Yeah, I think Eric is coming around. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, you're coming around next week, right? Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
If he's here in a couple weeks' time, we can stick him in front of the camera.
Nah, he's not here for the next live stream. Yeah, time is wrong again.
Let's start with this.
Eric, this is not working.
Okay.
Okay.
So I don't know if anyone of you guys saw my last video. I'm posting one for month. So. What do you think?
Thinks says hi, Dickie. Okay.
Hi, Dickie.
You know yourself more intimate.
I've not been called Dickie for a long time.
What do you think?
Well, you suck or blow on that.
You don't suck and blow anything. So.
Sex toys.
Listen. It sounds like a cow.
It's not plugged in.
Yeah. This is USB powered. It has a USB connector. It has a button. It has a battery inside.
Press the button again.
You maybe want to tell the people what the whole thing is.
So,
except making funny noises.
This is a desoldering iron. A really crappy one. This costs €3. This costs 7. So together, they compete with one of these.
Which is about €100 roughly.
No, a lot more. 150 if you want it with only the unit costs 100.
It's gone up quite a lot. I think about 60 for that, but in 20 now, 20.
Yeah, they've gotten a lot more expensive actually.
Yeah.
So,
okay.
I thought making my own. I can't 3D print. I went for the quick and dirty this time. I can't 3D print.
Very quick and dirty.
Can we show people how you've done that?
Yeah, I did the video.
Okay, yes, but not everybody
yes,
watched. Not everybody watched it.
Yes.
Okay. You want a close up? Okay. Yeah.
That's the word.
Go for the money shot.
So I just ripped out the plunger. You just pull back pretty much, and
that's where the dildo of consequence went to.
I shouldn't have done this.
and I just filled it with hot glue to make a seal. How I tested it was I took off the end here just to check the wires here because they do get loose.
Oh, okay.
And you suck through the tube and you get a vacuum seal.
You're sucking through the tube.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So you check if you have vacuum or not, pretty much. And then you just shove it in here.
So Paul T says, did you try using chewing gum?
That could
looks
work,
a bit like
actually.
that, yeah.
Chewing gum could work.
Thanks, Robert.
So we need to get something and try to see how well it works, don't we?
Yeah, I actually tested it on my video, and it worked quite well. I was surprised. The one you gave me of these didn't work. The heating element was broken.
Oh, okay. Well,
So I had to rip off the heating element of mine.
what do you expect for free?
Yeah, exactly. But it's €3. I'm not going to cry about €3, pretty much.
So we want something to...
Yeah, something with a chunky ground plane would be nice. Because that's where these things shine, pretty much.
Okay.
And of course some solder and flux.
So we have some
Oh yeah, that works.
scrap boards.
Yeah, that's usually the best way to go.
So what we're going to do, are we going to try your version first?
Yeah, we can do that. This one takes a little time to heat up. Because this takes about a minute to heat up. So,
The other one is not the fastest thing in the world.
no, it's not. I know. So, you can actually move the button to a foot pedal instead. It has a button on the top. So that would make it a lot easier to use because I have to let go and push the button at the same time. So this is not very comfortable.
Well, maybe if you just say, if I hold that and you say, Richard, push.
Yeah, I have you guys now, so yeah.
Yeah.
That's exactly what's going to happen.
Okay.
I need some solder and flux.
Flux.
Yeah.
Solder and lube coming up.
Solder and lube, yeah. And I need the soldering gun for I got new CPUs for the Vectrex, but it's hard to desolder a 40-pin chip without destroying anything, without the desoldering gun. I was going to come here and borrow his.
Yeah.
But use this here, and because Richard has a really good heat gun.
Yeah, I know.
And you want to warm up the PCB because you want to keep the PCB.
Yeah, exactly. So I'm probably not going to use this on that anyway, so don't worry.
Yeah, don't.
But the idea was making something quick and easy. People can make at home really cheaply.
Okay. So do we need to get the camera on this?
Yeah, I think so. And let's see, what do we rip off?
Anything, it's just a scrap board.
Capacitor.
So what can we show what the people the components?
Yeah, it's a capacitor. One of these chunky boys.
Okay. A big boy.
Yeah, this is easy enough with soldering iron.
Well,
Really.
yeah, it is. But let's see.
Okay, let's see if it's up to temperature. That's easy enough to do as well.
Convert it to moody device.
So your problem is that
Yeah. One second.
So you should make it.
now.
You should make it with a foot pedal.
Yeah, I will actually. I didn't.
Oh, that zoom shot.
I didn't have a foot pedal. Otherwise, I would.
Oh, maybe we can help.
Yeah, maybe we can help you there. No, it's not melting this. It's not melting.
No,
the
it's
solder.
not hot enough. This takes a little while to get hot.
Okay.
So let's leave it for a minute. So I have opened these before, the moving thingies.
This.
Yeah, they have a vacuum pump you can buy off AliExpress for like €2 or so.
So was this one item that you bought?
Yeah, it comes like that with the tube.
And what is it meant for?
Big water bottles we have here in Gran Canaria, 8-liter or 5-liter water bottles.
Oh, so you put the tube into the water bottle.
And just press the button. Yeah.
And you get your water come out.
You want to steal the one from the
Yeah. So
AC?
it's meant for these.
Yeah, pretty much.
Can people see that? I can't
Yeah,
see
they can see that.
It's meant for those. So you get one of these full of water.
Yeah.
You put that thing in the top, and when you want to drink, you push the button.
Yeah. So I have this has a USB micro on it. This is the crappy version. I have one with USB-C charging instead. That's a lot better actually. It comes with one 18650 inside and a control board. So actually, instead of buying the pump, button, control board, charging circuit,
No,
battery.
just buy the whole
For
thing, yeah.
€7, I actually recommend buying this. It's a lot cheaper, and it comes with a very good tube. Actually,
Okay.
it's a
silicone.
silicone tube. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So we try again.
No, Robert, I didn't buy any more. Well, I did buy one my amp you guys didn't see. I got a Roland Microcube right now. It's one of these
Oh, there we go.
really little ones.
Okay.
And last time I modified it for use a lipo cell for power.
Sorry.
Sorry, I can't get a better shot.
Yeah, I'm just trying to put in some new solder.
Get the old solder out.
It won't melt. I don't think the heating element on this thing's hot enough to melt the solder.
Oh yeah, it is.
Into here.
Yeah, that's a better shot.
Yeah.
That's a better shot.
Or maybe it's not.
No?
No, I'm not getting good contact.
Warwick, I did Bluetooth thing with. Oh, you're talking about Bluetooth with this? Okay, yeah. I added Bluetooth to a Fender amp last time.
I did it at home without any issues. It's not, but yeah, it is melting it, but not enough.
Okay, try a little
Something-
smaller device.
Yeah, probably the
to-
ground plane is way too big there.
Yeah, it's not much ground plane. It's a
So we can
small
try
sided
my
plane.
solder sucker out afterwards.
There we go. Something.
Let me go.
Okay?
Okay.
Tell me when.
Yeah, push the button.
Nothing happened. Oh,
Okay, let go.
I've let go.
No, as in.
Oh.
Okay, yeah, it needs new solder, obviously. It's not hot enough. So the problem with this is...
Are you left-handed?
no, I'm not.
We need more solder to the voltage, more voltage to the soldering iron. That's the answer. Always more voltage.
Yeah, that actually works on this, because it has a PTC.
Somebody said last time, put a voltage doubler on there, and
Oh.
you don't have this problem anymore.
There's some problem with this.
Yeah,
Okay,
no,
this-
I got it working at home. Why isn't it working now?
Something wrong with our electricity here?
Okay, dirty tip, first of all. Let me just...
Okay.
Okay.
Let's see if this works, because it's not transferring enough heat. Yeah, there we go. Just...
Not convinced here.
I'm not
No.
convinced either.
Like I said, I got it to work fine on the camera, and that was the first try as well. And I actually did a few more. But I didn't use a board as thick as this, so...
Well,
this
you-
is a single-sided board, so
Yeah.
you shouldn't have any of the... This is melting.
Ah, yeah, now it's melting. So it was probably the dirt on the tip.
You can try the ATX power supply board if this doesn't work. We'll try mine.
Ah, there we go.
Okay?
Oh, god damn it. It's bending. Sorry. I'm using my...
Yes, Carlos' tip is dirty. Yep.
Yep. It is. Okay, there
It's
we go.
one of these episodes.
Press the button and press it again. There we go. And it's through, actually.
It did. The solder did disappear.
Yeah. Okay, let's do that one.
I think this takes 5 minutes to warm up.
Yeah,
something.
it's really slow to warm up. That's...
I would be fine with that because I normally know when I want to do this.
Yeah,
Then
exactly.
I get a coffee.
If I'm going to desolder a chip, for example, I'm going to put this in a long time before and prep. There we go. Okay, give me a sec. Okay, go. Yeah, yeah, you cleaned it out, and it
It
should
certainly
come.
did.
It should come out.
No.
It's stuck on one of the sides. This side.
Okay.
It is actually cleared out. I can see it's cleared out, but one of the legs is actually on the side of the wall. Okay, so this is hot. So this should,
Yeah, she's really hot.
this should just there and just get it in the middle.
So you want to press the button again?
Yeah, press the button again.
When? Just say now.
Now. There we go.
Well, the noise is very professional.
Yeah,
Yeah, it does-
it sounds right.
the sound
It
is...
sounds a bit like a cow.
Yep.
Oh yes, it came out. Okay.
So it was just the right side that was stuck on the wall. That's why you wiggle it around back and forth to center the pin, so it doesn't touch.
Yeah,
the wall.
yeah, we did the same with the other one.
Yeah.
Okay, so
So, of course, this is a lot more work than this.
well,
but-
let's see.
Well, the thing is single-sided. There's no heat transfer to the other side.
Yeah,
This is why I was thinking, okay, this should be way more easier.
Yeah, this
yeah,
is.
it is, but
See?
it needs to heat up. I'm pretty sure I can take off the big boy now, easily because
Okay.
Okay.
Let's try again.
of the heat.
Here goes the big boys.
It's the heat transfer.
I would say this is probably like a zombie apocalypse thing again.
Yeah,
it's like-
if you don't have anything left.
If you don't have anything left, you're in
Yeah.
a Mad Max type situation.
Yeah.
true. Yeah, I agree there.
Oh, they've
that
melted.
went way.
Tell me when.
Yeah, I just want to get some more solder here. Oh yeah, it's melting nicely. There we go. Okay, go for it. Yep.
I don't know.
Oh, a lot of smoke came out of
Yeah.
it. Oh, you have to get this onto the camera so you guys can see
Okay,
what's
I
happening here.
can't.
Yeah, zoom out.
Tell me when.
Let me just get some more.
I know the pipe's a bit bent.
Yeah, that doesn't matter.
Wait a
actually.
bit more.
Okay, go for it.
Ooh! And it's a smoke generator too. 2 in 1.
I think I need to remove a little bit more.
Okay.
Last
Smells
one,
like
but-
burnt pump or
Can we
something.
see this? Can we see the smoke again?
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, go. Okay.
I think it smells like burnt.
Yeah, I haven't gotten enough.
Oh my god.
Unleaded.
Oh.
Yeah.
It all falls apart. It goes badly.
Yeah, it's the solder this time.
It's the solder.
Of course.
It's the
Yeah,
board.
I actually tried with my crappy solder and it didn't work, but it worked with my. Yeah, okay, go for it. For my what's it called? Paste solder it worked fine. Of course, my paste solder 160 degree. Yeah, no, it's stuck on one of the sides again. I can see through the board, so that side is free. So it's this side, obviously.
Yeah, it's I think it's beta phase. Yeah, or maybe
Yeah,
alpha. Maybe early alpha.
I can get
Yeah.
it working. Go for it.
I mean, you need 2 people. And the stuff they do right here.
The exhaust tubes are amazing, aren't they?
I normally do this with a soldering iron without all the fuss with a.
It came out quite easily, but yeah, of course, I would recommend if you have the money to go for this. If you're poor as shit, go for this.
Well, to be honest, I don't think this would really help. I mean, I appreciate the idea.
Yeah.
Because this, what you built here is exactly the same,
It's the same thing,
like the big one. With
pretty much. And you can put in a temperature controlled widget, like I showed you last time. So you can actually temperature control this thing.
But if you're going for sensitive material where you really need to take care of the components,
Yeah.
I wouldn't use that.
No.
Therefore
It actually didn't harm the traces though.
And if you normally getting these out, I would use a soldering iron. I don't need anything more for this.
Yeah.
Yeah. But if it's a
A switch or something with multiple pins on.
or
something.
10 pin chip.
Yeah,
for example,
exactly.
it's impossible with soldering.
Correct.
Or you can.
I
but
should show you. I can show you that.
yeah, I know you can practically because
Okay, so-
I've done it.
So what you gonna? Let's get the camera in.
So first of all, we need to melt.
No smoke, so there's a downside.
Melt.
Yeah, this has a lot more
Waggle it.
heat transfer.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, that got through entire. But of course, this is a professional item that's
Correct.
went through R&D, millions of dollars and stuff. Okay, let's see if it's off. Yeah.
I'd be worried about the large bull on the heat, in heat that we'll be banging on
Yeah.
the door in
Yeah.
a minute.
So
Yeah.
it moves exactly the same. So if you're after that,
Okay.
yeah. So I know these are better, obviously, but there is some obvious problems here. So I mentioned in my video, you have to put a filter in line if you want to.
Andrew says, very useful calcium organic tool.
Oh yeah. If you put a filter in between a carburetor filter or something, that you should be fine because it will catch all the smoke and shit.
Yeah, maybe this is the first
Yeah,
iteration. you
and
do that.
put a foot pedal instead of the button, and you're actually good to go.
This is still smoking!
Yeah, it's the flux inside inside the system, but it works. I'm happy with it actually.
Yeah, maybe you want to switch it off before it burns
Yeah.
the whole table down.
That was really entertaining.
Yeah, that was the point. Of the
Of
film.
course, we need to make sure this is clear now, Justin.
Yeah.
What did you do when the board was built with all the leads bent over? You curse a lot, Paul. You
Yeah.
goes a
No, you
really
can
hard,
actually use this to lift the lead.
Yeah, you put
Lift the legs
it
up.
on the side and you lift it slowly.
Lift it.
Moose sucker. There you got a name for it from Dutch.
Huh?
Well, at least Carlos Moose
Moose
sucker is
sucker.
kind of put up.
The moose sucker. Oh.
Yeah, there you got the name.
That sounds a bit like
Yeah.
a Greek dish, a moussaka, but it's a moose sucker.
Yeah.
If
Thanks,
you could,
Serge.
if you could make this USB powered, yeah, you can make it fully portable
A
actually.
moose sucker.
No, you don't have the thermal mass. For these things,
No,
you need lots of
course
thermal
not.
mass.
Yeah, this is 90 watt.
Yeah,
but you're
this
in
is
previous end.
this is 60. 60 as advertised, but 60 Chinese watts. So
No, so maybe
30?
maybe 30, maybe
Yeah.
15.
yeah, thereabouts. So there are better versions of this that are a little more expensive, and you can use those for that, like 15 euros or something. But I can actually use one of the Richard's old guns. He gave
I
me,
gave you the old gun.
yeah, he gave me a broken gun from a real station.
Yes.
And you can actually use those if you have a little control board, Arduino powered one that can control the temperature and stuff.
Sure.
Yeah.
And it's 24 volts, so it's not that bad. And you can actually build that in there because there's a lot of empty space inside this. So you can actually put in the temperature control and stuff.
Can you open this up so people?
Yeah, can we see what's in it?
Let's see if I can. It's hard stuck. Let me just do this.
Let me move the
That's a
circuit board
good-
out of the way.
That's a good idea. This is another good idea.
So these are just snapped on from here, but the problem is they're really stuck in there.
Okay, don't break it. Don't.
No, you don't worry. It doesn't break. That's the way it goes off.
Well, Carlos, send it. You can send it to Weller as a proof of concept for a new product.
Yeah, a cheaper
It
one.
looks like Lawn Dog has a connections there.
Oh, good. Let's go for that then. Come on.
Already stolen by Shenzhen. Yeah.
Yeah. The second I posted the video, there was already 3 versions of it.
Backyard electronics R&D always looks messed up when you first start, and it works. And it works. Great job, Carlos.
Thanks.
I think you mean Carlos.
Yeah. I think I'll kick my desoldering.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
of course not. If I wasn't dirt poor right now, I would have bought one. Stupid YouTube.
And I bought that a long
No,
time
I can't
before.
get it off right
Yeah.
now.
Lawn Dog says, as I said earlier, we have to give credit, great credit for being very resourceful and inventive
Yeah,
with the
I
resources available to you. Yes. Yep.
Oh, this one has screws.
think we should also give him great credit for giving us all a good laugh.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, can you get me a long screwdriver? Star.
A long star.
Yeah.
There'll be a clone out on AliExpress tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably.
This is too easy.
Look out for the moose sucker.
Yeah. it's way too easy to build. This one actually had screws. My USB-C one doesn't have screws. It only has clips. I don't know, about 2 centimeters.
Oh, that's short. Okay.
No, that doesn't. Or maybe.
Maybe.
Is that the right size?
No, it doesn't go in.
Is this the right size by any chance?
Yeah, it is, but it's not a star. Oh, I mean a Phillips. Sorry.
You want the Phillips, right?
Yes, sorry.
So you think we'll just stop?
Yeah, Stjärnskruvmejsel in Swedish. That's a star screwdriver, and it's a Phillips. What do you mean? No, not a Torx.
Okay. So you want
Sorry.
a long Phillips.
The
I'm
Swedish.
going to buy one just for the name. Yeah, moose sucker. Yeah, Dutch. You maybe want a patent on this one.
Yeah, paint.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, put a copyright on Moose Sucker
Yeah.
copyright.
Moose Sucker 2000.
Yeah.
Let's make it really, really cringe. Yeah, I like the name.
I think it's wonderful. Swarm intelligence again. Moose Sucker. Could you like paint it kind of like black and white, like a Frisian cow pattern on it?
Yeah, you can.
Oh,
That would be awesome.
yeah.
Because
Yeah, little ears on it.
so the design is really easy, like you can see here.
one big motor, of course.
Yeah, it has the button is actually directly here.
Okay.
And it's quite powerful for being this small, actually. I'm quite surprised. I was thinking solder is quite heavy.
No, they're probably driving this directly from the 850.
Yep.
18650.
Yes.
Yeah.
They have
This is a charger chip.
Yeah, exactly. So they don't have anything else. They have a small, what's it called? Oh,
Diode?
Yeah. No, that's
Okay,
isn't that a MOSFET?
D1? No, this is a
No, the diode.
This is across the motor windings. This is for
Yeah,
Back EMF.
Back EMF, yeah. Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
so they made it quite easy. And look at all this free space here. You can put in a controller chip and stuff for the temperature control for the gun and stuff. You can actually make 24 volt input, and then you can drive all this easily. I like the idea because it's so small and portable. And the gun Richard gave me is a real gun. You can buy them loose for about 30 euros.
30 euros or something, yeah.
Yeah. So that has the trigger on it. You just have to run wires back to this. And because it has a universal plug with 7 connections on it, you just buy a female and put it here, and then you plug it in. Like, and it's fine. I wouldn't say this is a dumb idea. I can say if you switch out this is actually a completely soldering station.
Okay, Warwick says we should do a microcontroller version with a voice control.
Oh, that would be awesome.
The voice control would be suck me now.
yeah.
That would be awesome.
I thought you were going to say.
That's a feature using an Arduino, indeed.
Can't be that fact just going to say suck it, bitch. Suck it, bitch.
You know how many views I will get on YouTube just doing that? That's a good idea. I'm going to build it. I'm going to fucking build it. That's a brilliant
I
idea.
saw a video about voice control without internet some week ago or something.
The good point, the good thing is I can actually route the exhaust somewhere else to a filter box or something, so I don't get smoke.
I wouldn't use it for pulling water out of your water bottle after.
No, obviously
Can
not.
drink from this now.
I have the USB-C one at home.
Alexa, suck now.
Suck now. Suck now.
That would be so funny.
Suck it, bitch.
Oh yeah, I'm doing that. That's for sure. I'm going to replace this because the failing point of this is this piece of shit right here. This works actually quite well.
So what are you going to replace this with?
With the gun you gave me.
Oh, the gun, yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to put a 24 volt supply here.
Yeah.
And the female version of the connector from the gun.
So.
And the Arduino to connect control everything.
Yeah. So the gun has a trigger on, so the trigger would switch the switch.
Yeah, directly into the switch.
Yeah.
So, actually, I don't see any problem building this.
We wait and see.
Yeah, and we're going to compare it again with yours because the heating element will be the same.
Yeah.
It should have this comparable. It should work exactly the same.
Well, maybe if you do a conversion box.
I like the Dutch's one. Actually. Alexa, activate blowjob.
Actually, that's a very strange thing. I've always wondered why they call it a blowjob in the first place.
Yeah, you don't blow.
Well, no.
But what do you think? Brilliant or stupid? Little in between, I guess.
Both in equal measure, probably. It's brilliant and funny.
But look how small this is.
Yeah,
I can fit everything you have in yours. In this.
I love the way it chucks all the smoke.
Yeah. Yours has a filter in line. That's why you don't get any smoke, but you should get smoke as well.
I mean, that's like.
Yeah, but it's awesome.
I mean, these guys out there probably don't realise just how much smoke was coming out of them.
Yeah, no, it was quite a lot.
Still a bit foggy in here, yeah.
It was phenomenal. Oh dear.
I'm going to build the voice activated one. That was a brilliant idea.
Oh dear. So okay, talking about stupid or brilliant ideas.
We'll have a contest later for the activation phrase.
well, talking of stupid or brilliant ideas. So much to Detlef's advice not to.
Yeah, okay, you did it anyway. Okay.
Much to Detlef advising me don't. I did.
Did I? Okay.
If you said
Rich, think about it. Don't. So.
Okay, I think that's true. Usually is.
I found on AliExpress.
Ah, crap. I see what you bought.
I bought off AliExpress.
Oh, Jesus.
For about 150 euros.
150?
Or something like that. 14 terabyte Seagate drive.
Okay.
Which I assumed was refurbished.
Yeah.
But if you look at it, and you get close up, there's no
scratches or
No
anything.
scratches, there's no
Yeah,
marks. like the
usually you
screw
have
threads.
scratches from the caddies here.
Yeah,
from
so
server racks. and
it
stuff.
looks new, 14 terabytes. So what Det says, don't. I said, come on. He says, but how much is normally for 14 terabytes? I have 300 and something.
Yeah, 300.
So anyway, 100. But by the time I got the eject off, it's about 145 or something with the VAT off.
So 145 euros for
14 terabytes.
half price.
So when we got it here, the first thing we did, we connected onto a computer and run some software that Det had, and did a full surface scan, which said it was going to take 17 hours.
Yeah.
What do you think happened?
My guess, it stopped halfway because there is no more.
Anybody else?
Okay, let's wait for the other people.
What
I
do you
know
think happened?
we have people out there who know how the logo should look, how the printing should look. I'll give you a close up here.
It looks somewhat legit.
Doing the close up. So this is from 24th January of 2021.
Yeah, that seems
So
about
this is
right.
4 years ago.
Yeah, it's 4 years ago.
That seems
What is
about
the date
right
on it?
for the size? Yeah, 1 gigabyte. Okay.
Okay, let's wait for more.
I think a 1 gigabyte drive is actually more expensive nowadays than.
Yeah, 1 gigabyte, is it?
I remember my first 3 gigabyte drive that cost me 3 grand, 300 euros or something back in the day. Holy crap! I could say.
Okay.
2 weeks ago.
The tool we used Linux. I have a Parted Magic installation here,
Part Magic. Okay.
and there's some hardware diagnostic thingamajig. Don't ask me the
We
the
use
name.
some software.
Where the Linux people here, you know, your thing where you read the smart status. The smart status, by the way, says this thing has never been on.
It's new.
Yeah,
Well,
this
apart
is
from
what
the-
the smart status
Yeah.
says.
Apart from the time that we ran it to
Yeah.
the surface.
But you can
Sky.
actually rewrite the smart status
Of course,
partition.
of course. So, Lon, even checking the smart status here, you can do that, but
Yeah.
well,
You can fake it.
yeah,
Unfortunately.
this is programmable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So shall we tell them what happened when we run the full surface scan on it?
Yeah, we wrote all the
14
14 terabytes. We wrote this on all in one piece. So H2 test W is the tool we're using for this.
Yeah.
This writes 1 gigabyte chunks, and it knows the checksum of the chunks, so it can verify the content of the chunks. So this spends 17 hours just writing stuff,
Yeah.
and then it spends 12 hours or something reading the stuff.
Verifying.
Reading is
Yeah.
normally faster and verifies the content of the
Yeah.
stuff. So this is file system level, so it's not low level, but file system level is what we're interested in. So
Yeah, it's good enough.
yeah, good enough. Yeah, this
Yeah.
is what I would call this. Yeah,
And it passed.
yeah, and
It passed.
It
yeah.
passed.
Yeah, no
So
matter-
this is an old server drive that was never used, pretty much.
Wow. It looks
Yeah,
like
yeah.
it looks like it's never been used. Even like the connections, if you look at like the
Yeah,
everything on it looks like it's never ever been used. Yeah. I mean, we've used it, but
I wouldn't say this looks unused. but,
no, it wasn't. It was unused from them. No, I agree. But it passed, didn't it? It's absolutely passed.
it has a
14.
small blemish here that looks like a caddy line. This,
I can't see this.
you see, it's
on camera.
discolored right in between there. You can't see it really.
I can see it.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah, and there's like a square outline exactly on top of that.
Oh, no.
So
I see.
yeah, from there to there,
Yeah.
and it's on both sides. So that means this has been in a caddy.
Yeah.
It's probably a backup drive that's never been used. So they had it lying there if a drive breaks, and they can swap it over, but they never used it. So they have it in a caddy, waiting pretty much.
Yeah. Obviously,
Greg, you analyzed already. Your product is not under warranty. Your product was original sourced as part of a larger system. Yeah, this is what I was guessing.
yeah, that's what we were getting as well. But to be quite honest, for what I paid for it, and that's all used this for just sticking games and stuff on big
That's-
backup drives.
That's good enough.
There's nothing crucial. I'm actually tomorrow going to buy another one. I decided to buy another one tomorrow
Of course you will.
From the same seller.
from the same seller.
Yeah, but you get twice the space for the same price.
Well, 14 terabytes
You get 2 of those for the same price of one.
of one. Same price as one. I mean, you get 2 of these, same price as one. And one of them was a RAID 1, is it for the?
Yeah, RAID 0 is the one that stripes them.
Yeah, and RAID 1 is the one that mirrors.
Yeah,
So you can put 2 of these on the RAID 1.
yeah, you can save your entire library of videos here.
Yeah, you could exactly. So I'm going to buy another one. I honestly bought it. Oh, if it fails at 8 terabytes or something stupid, I should just tell me it's fake and it'll go, but yeah,
You get the money
I
back.
get my money back, but it's actually passed.
AliExpress is really good with the returns.
Yeah.
I've never had an issue with them.
There are a few sellers, but I'll go back to the same seller. If you guys are interested, I can tell you what, after I will tell
Yeah,
you what seller it was.
put a link in the description of the live show.
Okay, I'll put the link in the description of the live show, which seller it was.
And remember to do it this time. Last time I went in and fixed it for you.
Okay, thank you. What are friends for?
So, guys, what are you saying? My instinct tells me this is not a. If the smart data is resetted, they have something to hide. Maybe
Yeah, it's been running quite
thousands and thousands and thousands of hours of runtime. Maybe not so much start-stop cycles. This is a data center hard drive. This is made for data centers, so continuous use.
Yeah.
They probably have their reasons. This is not a shingled recording. This is a CMR.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So we haven't had the greatest data transfer rate. We're 270, so under 300.
But
Yeah,
that's normal for those drives.
And we were running this on an old motherboard like H81 or something like that. There wasn't nothing new.
SATA 3 doesn't go any
No,
faster.
no, it's 600 max.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
that's fine.
Yeah. So what's your take on this, guys?
Considering it goes at 270, that's normal for those drives. It has to be the Pro series to go over 300.
Okay.
That has a buffer memory and other shit.
I think for like €150.
It's okay.
It's okay. I mean,
I just bought an 8 terabyte drive that costs 150.
yeah.
An external one because I need a backup drive.
Yeah.
Because my driver are dying on my computer. I actually changed my case. I had to remove the old Viper case you gave me.
Okay, yeah,
Simple
sure.
for you.
Yeah, Christian. Okay, so the coupon code should have lasted until middle of September. They didn't again. The new campaign starts tomorrow.
Okay.
So tomorrow I'll get a new seeding balance, and as of tomorrow, fingers crossed, we will have some new codes, and these should last till mid-November. So as soon as we have, and we also have some Tube Buddy software on the channel now.
Tube Buddy?
Yeah, I have to pay for it, but now I can do mass updates of all the video descriptions. So I can find the codes, say, look for the codes, replace with the new ones, and it's worth it because the amount of hours it took to actually do that.
Yeah,
was
I
horrendous.
used that at the beginning when I started YouTube, TubeBuddy, but it wasn't worth it for me for the price. But for you, that has a lot of videos.
Oh, it's not. Yeah. I mean, it's like about 27 euros a month or something.
It's expensive for a newbie, but if you're making money from YouTube, it's not that bad.
Yeah, and because now I can. The other thing I can do now is like the affiliate links on my videos. About once a year, I get around to renewing them, and I've been using a lot of new equipment. But now I can actually just tell it to find the first line of that and replace everything afterwards.
Yeah.
So now I can do mass updates. We did about the first 300, 400 videos. It took about 10 minutes for it to run through the whole lot. And it comes back in it. Any that failed, it gives you the links to the ones, the actual links, so you can paste and then go to them. And the 3 that failed because the description had gone too long. Yeah. So anyway, guys, tomorrow should have a new.
Let me answer a few things here.
Yeah.
Londok says, well, typically mechanical drives, it just gets 150 megabits per second. That's a really slow one, my friend. Normally,
It's 200 plus.
Yeah.
220 is the normal rate. 250 is
This was
somewhat
doing
high.
about 220 to 250. Something
Yeah.
like that.
Dutch says all my drives run 24/7, and the start-stop is the most dangerous for a drive. Absolutely,
Yep.
my friend. Yeah, when
Agreed.
you're parking the heads and the heads coming down, that's the most dangerous part for a drive.
If you have it
Absolutely,
on 24/7, it's fine. It will never die on you, pretty much.
London says if the drive that actually use on the data center would check the number of hours. Well, we tried. It says 0 hours.
Yeah.
0
That
hours.
could be true.
Well, it's actually said about
I don't
24
believe
hours, which how long we had it running.
Yeah, but actually, it can be true if they used it as a backup drive in a caddy waiting, because we had 100 drives ready to go when I worked at the government in Sweden. Literally 100 stacked drives with nothing in them, never used, ready to go in caddies, just to be able to switch.
There's an interesting one. Greg says that these drives are certified and come with a warranty, I believe. Serverpartdeals.com. You maybe want to check this out.
Okay, serverpartdeals.com.
That's a good link. Thanks, you,
Greg.
Thank you.
I'm actually thinking of buying an Epic server. So
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, server parts, of course.
Yeah.
so I want some reliable parts for Epic server with 64 cores and 8 PCIe lanes. So
Okay.
8 PCA 16 lanes.
16 lanes,
Yeah.
yeah.
So I want to make a AI server. So I need eight GPUs at the same time. It's
Yeah.
going to be expensive, so I'm going to buy the stuff a little bit at a time. Yeah.
Actually, just talking on this topic of hard drives and size, you know that YouTube, it has like so many hours of video uploaded every so many seconds or something stupid.
1 billion hours or something.
Well, so that takes space. Have they got like a team of monkeys working all the time slamming drives in? Because how can you put new drives onto YouTube fast enough to handle the rate at which people are uploading? Because you don't delete the older stuff.
No, they had.
But you see what I mean?
You're not far off the mark actually, because YouTube is losing money because of the space requirements.
Yeah.
That's why they're losing money, and the infrastructure of sending out all the information at the same time. The terabyte lines they have out. They have like 16 consecutive terabyte lines out from this data centers, and they have multiple data centers, and they have to be synced and copied, and they also have backups of everything. So
I mean, we could just look at this.
Their algorithm for compressing videos is quite impressive.
Yeah.
There were some data scientists that looked at the algorithm, and it compresses the videos 7 times more than we can with Matroska or AV1.
AV1 is the correct one.
Yeah. Somebody, Ham
says 14 tera cost in Netherlands about on eBay 160.
Yeah, I paid about 150. It's about 150. I paid something like that.
And it's probably used at 160. But like I said, as long as it works.
N. Just go Control N.
Control N.
I don't know what he's trying to do.
I just want to see, out of interest, how much data uploads to YouTube per hour, something like that.
Yeah.
How much data?
It's in the petabytes.
Uploads to YouTube per hour. Yeah. Something like that. Let's see how much it does, because AI says. Well, it tells you in hours.
How many hours?
Hopefully it'll give me some idea of data size.
In megabytes or in terabytes.
Okay, data size, terabytes. So I just say terabytes, something like that.
Yeah, and then it doesn't get confused.
Hundreds of terabytes uploaded per hour.
Yeah.
Based on the platform, 500 hours of video. Yeah. So they're saying hundreds of terabytes.
Every minute. Yeah. So 500 plus hours every minute. So 30,000 hours per hour. Or 30,000 hours of video per hour.
So they're saying it would roughly take 75 to 120 terabytes per hour. So 100 terabytes per hour. So they're not just slamming drives in like that. That's a lot of hard drives to have to keep.
No, it's insane. But
they make money from that.
Yeah, a lot.
Yeah,
sure.
They're making money with all the advertisements.
You can't imagine the contracts they have. It's insane how much people pay to put advertisement on YouTube.
Yeah, I'm sure. Oh yeah, it's giving us estimated totals, Luke, see.
Yeah. So 360 terabytes per hour. Yeah, pretty much.
That's a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Yep.
And they encode it in 3 different levels as well, or 4, depending if it's 4K as well. So and 3D scopic video, it has actually 2 sources it uses. So it depends a lot on what you are looking at and the quality and stuff. But
and
still,
it also says this is a conservative estimate.
Yeah, but that's why they re-encode everything, because their encoding is 7 times better than the state of the art that you can get your hands on.
I don't believe this.
Yeah,
I don't believe this.
That's why you have.
Why would they have internal different recordings? And you need to push this to the browser.
Yeah.
So if you're pushing this to the browser,
that's why they re-encode it.
You don't re-encode when you push this.
They do. When you upload the videos, they re-encode.
Can I add to this? Because if I'm trying to watch videos at 4K off YouTube at certain times of day,
the quality
they'll stop and start again because the buffer is not long enough. At other times of day, mainly because we're on a completely different time zone to the USA, they'll play. But it's not my internet that's making any difference.
No.
So, but if I drop down from like 4K to 2K,
it works fine.
It works fine.
Yeah.
So obviously there was less data
rate.
Data rate is lower. So I can say that.
But I know they re-encode the videos actually on their side.
You found the things?
I did.
What's that? Diodes.
The things.
The things, okay, so camera.
That looks like coils.
Yeah, these are coils. So
Yeah, okay.
I know a lot of you
I
guys.
know we destroyed one of those. Yeah,
Yeah.
I see it.
Okay, so I know a lot of you watch this, but basically, this is the coil that on the live stream some good while ago we dismantled.
Yeah.
This is one from Detlef's speaker we got at the car boot sale.
It's
Same
split-
fault. It's actually blown the top off the inductor.
Yeah, it's split it in half.
Yeah. But
So this would be easy to spot that it's broken.
yes, but if you look right, let me say, this is the one that we
Try
dismantled,
to get closer.
and I rewound it.
Which you did really, really well.
I did really well. I may have one turn less. I may have 12 rather than 13, but it's close. And yet, the inductance of this is half what it should be. So a good one.
Do you have the correct wire thickness?
Yes, and I
Yes.
used a wire gauge, and in fact, this is the original
Yeah, it's the same.
wire. It's the same.
Yeah. How do you have the incorrect inductance then?
Okay, so if you measure,
We have a theory for this.
we have a theory of this. If you measure the original ones, I did this on my video. It's about 23 microhenries.
Yeah.
This one reads about 6 because it's blown up. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
My rewound one reads 10.
Huh.
10 or 11 rather than 22 or 23, so half. And yet the number of turns
It's the same.
is the same, and it's the same thickness of wire. So it wasn't my theory. Somebody else's theory said it's because I've got the wire wound tightly on the former.
Oh, and that was wound outside.
And this is wound outside. I think we can possibly see it on this one.
Yes, it's towards the. It's loosely wound instead.
Yeah, if we can get this end off it without bending it too
Can't
much.
make it more broken, yeah.
Exactly, but I want to see how this is wound. I tried a lot of things on the video. I tried like the direction of the winding, but that doesn't make any difference.
No, it's loosely wound, so it's against the outer cup.
It's loosely wound. It's against the outer rather than against the inner former. So the question was, I have plenty of this.
Hey,
What?
look at how this is wound.
It's not
This
wound.
is inter.
Oh.
No, it's not.
No, yeah, it's cross wound.
It's what?
Cross wound. So you start with the middle and then you go around like this.
I don't know because this is the one that we took out of the former with we
Yeah.
have hot air.
But
And that's a coil.
this is cross wound. Look, you get the
Like a DNA.
helix.
Like a
Yeah,
helix.
this is cross wound. So you put the middle and then you pull from both sides and do this
Okay.
back and forth.
Well, that's different from that one. Then.
Yeah, this one was roundly or put it in this way because we just pulled it out that way.
So if we get
I can't remember.
the inductance,
I do. I remember because I pulled it out when it was hot.
yes,
Ah,
exactly.
yeah, okay.
okay. Right. The other theory it reads half the inductance it should do is because we got the former so hot that we damaged the
Yeah.
magnetic properties of the ferrite.
That's kind of hard to believe.
Well,
Saxman, evening.
if you Google that, you will find that is true. I googled two things. One, does it matter which direction?
It's 170 or so. Really? Do we really get this to 170?
We got it very hot.
Yeah, maybe.
So if we get the inductance meter,
Yeah. I like this thing.
I like this thing. I really like this thing.
I don't care about the thing.
I really like this thing. So if we just put it on the coil
Yeah, without the ferrite.
without the ferrite, can we read the value on the screen?
If you get the meter a bit more
4.
closer to me,
Yeah,
maybe
that's
I can.
3.9.
That's right about half.
Now slide the former over it.
Yep, I'm trying.
This is what I was expecting.
Yep, it should.
If you put it in properly,
Yeah, I'm trying to.
if you actually put it into properly, so there's like a little
Notch.
notch, yeah.
Yeah, I was trying to line
So
up the notch
so we line up the notch, yeah.
and make it click in.
Right, did kind of was.
Yeah, it's not that easy, especially when it has clamps on it.
It fitted before.
Yeah,
It's got stuck now.
I didn't touch anything.
No, I didn't know. I know. Let's go again.
Yeah, just try again.
We just try
The
again.
notch. There we go.
Okay, it's in.
Yeah.
So we get it in there. We get it in there. Measure it again. Then you have to put it onto the tin part.
That
Oh.
helps.
Yeah, it does.
That helps. 9.1. And I think if you push on it a little bit, you might get 10 out of it.
There.
10.
That's
10.7, yeah, that's what I can get 11. So it should be 22, and it's 11.
okay. So
Why?
this
Why?
was helically wound.
And that one wasn't okay. But yes, it was.
So
I have plenty of wire.
Can we try this? Doing a helical.
it's not that easy, but yeah, we can.
Well,
Where's the thing folded over?
It's folded in the middle. Exactly. You put the middle of the wire in the middle, and
Yeah,
then
this
from the
is-
top, and then you start going from side to
This
side
is
like this.
this is what I was guessing here. Yeah.
Yeah,
my suggestion is that
that's how you wind it. But I wouldn't guess that would make it better.
No, not really.
Okay, let's see how many turns there
Okay,
is.
where are
One.
our specialists for magnetic thingamajigs?
4, 5, 6, 7.
This is a
8,
technical term, by the
9,
way.
10 turns.
yeah, this had 12 or 13.
10 turns of helical winding.
Yeah.
Okay,
This
we can
had
try.
thi-
That's a good experiment actually to see if actually it makes difference.
Yeah,
okay.
True.
the
So this
form.
has 13 turns. I think I got 12. But if I'm one turn out, it's not going to be half the value.
No.
No.
Right, so
Okay.
you want some wire, don't you?
Yeah.
Let me get you some wire.
I have to estimate the length.
Yeah, no problem.
I have
No,
to.
you don't. Because you simply wind it and simply cut it when you're done.
Oh yeah, true. I just need a long enough to be able to wind it. So this bit.
This is what I was getting for ferromagnetic epoxy. Yep.
That's one of the things we are missing here
Yeah.
as well.
Because this is built like a transformer, guys.
Yeah.
I have my hands full.
Well,
So you need the cover
no
for.
cutter on this one. Do you have something?
I had one in the before time. I had a thing here, but
Yeah.
then Rich
I can get the cutters.
cleaned up the desk.
can I get my theory that if you see like there's a big difference if I put the core into there,
Yeah, there's a big gap.
there's a big gap between the core and the actual casing. Yeah. I think if we wrap something like tape around this to make it wider,
Oh yeah, and make
put the winding on, and then we
put in the winding inside and then put the cord.
then we take the winding off it. We take the tape back off it, so it's now spaced, airspace. Would it read higher?
Probably.
You want some cutters?
Yeah.
No, you wanna have more contact in there. Can you show me the thing again, please? When you put these two things together, you get a transformer.
Yeah.
So you got a magnetic field that goes through the center pin here, goes then through the outer thing.
The casing and then go back in.
Yeah, so you got a transformer. You need the cover here, and I'm with Paul here. I think the
Epoxy.
epoxy was ferromagnetic, so it would have a lesser magnetic resistance. This is the right word.
Yeah, it is.
So,
Correct.
so does that mean that has to be pushed further in so it touches the other end of that, or not?
Further is better, and
Yeah.
because every air gap in there is bad.
Okay.
Yep.
Air gaps are bad.
True.
Okay.
You want the cutters?
Yes, please.
What? Somebody watching South Park out there?
Okay.
Okay.
I would, before you cut the wire off, I would straighten this one out so you know what
That's
the length
exactly
of
what
it
I
is.
was going to
Don't
do.
cut the wire. Cut the red one.
Get the length of it.
Yeah,
It's much longer.
Yeah, exactly what I was going to do.
I actually wound it for, it's much longer than you think. It's probably,
Yeah.
probably a bit longer
That's what
than
she
that.
said too.
Yeah, because this is the
Because this is bent, it's probably more somewhere here.
yeah.
Oh, this is going to be fun.
Yeah, that's good enough.
Okay.
So
Right.
I think the shape matters, but not as much as you would think.
So what are you going to do with it?
So I'm going to make a
What are you going to do?
helical
Ghostbusters.
winding.
I think you're going to make an hysterical winding.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
A comical winding? Can we have a comical one?
Yeah.
I don't know how you're going to do that.
Yeah. It's hard because you have to start it up.
And you need 12 turns or something.
Yes.
I'm trying to get in closer.
Yeah.
This is-
Sorry, guys.
yeah,
This is super
yeah,
fiddly.
This is fiddly. Yeah.
Okay, so let's see if I can get it started right, and then, yeah, there we go. So I've seen these windings before. I don't know why they do it.
Sure, it's like that.
Yes, actually, it is a helical winding, but why?
Okay. Okay, you simply use ferrule powder. Yeah, of course, it would work. Yeah,
Yeah.
ferrous powder. Yeah, of
Ferrous
course.
powder in
Yeah,
the mix of the epoxy.
Yeah, sure.
Oh,
Okay.
I'm doing a good job.
We do have epoxy. We simply need metal files for this.
Metal
Ah,
findings
metal
The findings.
or carbon dust or something like that.
Yeah.
Okay, Carlos is doing a good job, he thinks.
Yeah, I think so.
Skippy,
It's
hey my
getting
friend, got stuck
it's
with
a
work
little
1 extra hour.
short
Sorry,
with
Mr.
this
Stark.
way.
I just loved your video on the solder sucker. It's a moose sucker, my friend.
Yeah, they
moose
already they already named it.
Yeah, and Skippy says,
We
okay,
patented it.
my only question, did you try using a voltage doubler so it draws over 400 watts?
Ah.
No, not yet. I'm going to.
Yeah, there's version 2.0, yeah.
How come the wire's much longer than we need it now?
Yeah, good question. I probably can't push it together hard enough.
Okay, keep going.
I think this will be the biggest problem now.
Yeah, I'm not strong enough. This is done by machines, by the
Of
way.
course, yeah.
So,
I think I did a pretty damn good job of that.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
You did well.
no question there, Rich.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have.
And I'm pretty sure that will work if you have the magnetic epoxy and
Okay, so
Mine would work.
yeah, I'm pretty sure yours.
So,
work.
so
Okay,
the wires need to come out at the bottom.
yeah, I know.
Okay.
The idea was forming it and then just flipping it.
don't stress Carlos.
I was using this as a shelf to align the.
Nice t-shirt.
Thanks.
Skippy, could you please
There we
say
go.
nice t-shirt? I know you can't see it. Wait, I'll get you the t-shirt. Yeah, so extra for Skippy.
It's from the Dia de los Muertos
Yeah.
in the US.
Oh, yeah, yes. No,
Or
Day of the Dead.
Mexico, for being correct.
Mexico.
One of wife's cousins came from the US to visit, so,
Okay.
and he brought it with him as a gift. I have been to the US once, but
I've never been.
I never
been to
want to go
Mexico.
there again.
But I've never been to the US, but I have been to Mexico twice.
I witnessed 2 shootings the same day when I landed there,
Okay.
and I was there for 1 day.
Where did you go? Detroit?
What was it? Atlanta.
Oh, it's the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, same as Emma, yeah.
Okay, so let's just see if this.
One of the lost states.
Crap.
Okay, so what you need to do is now you need to
I'm just trying to align this.
scrape away the enamel and tin it.
Yeah.
So we need the soldering iron switching on.
Just close? Yeah, we're close.
Yeah, almost. I have to spin it the right way. There we go.
Soldering iron. You know the best way to tin these is to get the soldering iron up to about 450 degrees.
I didn't know.
Yeah, get the soldering iron, turn it right up to say 450,
Mhm.
then it will tin. It's not in the.
I'm trying to.
You know what? For a test, this is fine. Let's see.
Okay, fine.
Let's see where we get.
Okay, yeah, let's see where we go to. Let's see where we go.
If we get a lot more inductance than you did with shorter wire, that means
Correct.
this works.
Correct.
If we get a lot lower, that means this doesn't work either. and,
Okay.
and that's the epoxy, pretty much. I'm pretty sure it's the epoxy. Ah, there we go. Now it's flat and nicely put in. And,
Professional inductance winder.
no thanks. I wouldn't do this for money
All right.
because it's a pain in the ass. Oh God. Okay, this
The
side.
dildo of consequence.
Yeah,
See, there he is.
the dildo of consequences kicking my ass.
Rarely a lives looped. Oh,
no,
now you broke it.
No, I didn't. I just want to align that stupid winding. Okay, it will have to be that way.
okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Let's tin this. Let's see, how do you...
We'll take the soldering iron out of the holder first.
450. Now, there we go. Solder.
Oh,
We had some.
We had some. It's around.
Where did it go?
I'll give you some more.
Where
You can see it somewhere. Oh,
Where did
okay, no, I have it.
You removed it. There we go. Good solder.
That's what I use.
450? It's,
Do you want me to put it down here? Or?
Anywhere you want.
It doesn't really matter.
it doesn't matter, yeah. It's for testing.
But if you get it hot enough at about 450,
Yeah.
it'll turn. It should. Let me hold it. Try it like that so you get everything flat against it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying
There's
to.
no heat transfer with this tip.
Otherwise, I'll do it for you with using my other soldering iron.
My opinion on all this stuff.
There is
Well,
one.
since I got one of the speakers,
You've got it.
I would love to have this working,
There we go.
but I think without buying this anew, not
We
really.
can buy.
Yeah.
We found the supplier for them now.
Yeah, somebody actually figured out where we can buy these things, and I was actually
And they
pretty
were quite
fascinated because I thought, well, use a toroid thingamajig.
Oh
I think
yeah, that's another question.
this is magnetically shielded because it's practically a transformer.
Okay, so getting the
I'm
soldering iron at 450 does actually
Yeah, it works.
breaks down the enamel, guys.
And my magnetic knowledge isn't enough to say, okay,
Oh, yeah.
a toroid will do the same thing as this thing will do in every frequency range, and we measured something 400K or something.
Unfortunately, it's not that.
What's
easy.
it read?
7 point something.
All right.
So you
And I haven't gotten it all the way.
So you were getting very close to what I was
Yeah,
getting,
same ballpark.
With a lot shorter wire.
but shorter wire.
So, if
What was the proper method for removing the enamel coating from the enamel wire?
Focus.
Heat.
Yeah.
I love
just like Carlos showed. Yeah, just use excessive heat.
So soldering iron set at 450 centigrade, and it's hot enough to break down the enamel.
Yeah.
So some solvent to remove the enamel. I always use heat. Sorry, I have no idea how to do this the other way around.
Just get it very hot.
You could use sandpaper.
Yep. I use
or
sandpaper
amber cloth.
sometimes.
Yeah.
Same thing, American.
Yeah, it's the same thing, really.
Or things. Oh man, we had actually a thing that I normally use for stripping the isolation. Some scrapers with that.
Yeah.
This was very specialized tools for that. Yeah.
But generally speaking, I find 450C on a soldering iron with a
Works
chunky
fine.
tip. It works just fine.
Yeah, I agree with Rich. I usually use the soldering iron as well. Ah, there we go. Oh, I got it all the way in.
You guys all the way in.
Yay!
Okay.
Fits to the
See, lube. Did you use lube?
No, I didn't. It shows 8.
So
We're right in the ballpark. So
half of what? Less than half.
Epoxy, you're right. Pretty much.
We're done with it.
If we drown this in epoxy with metal filings inside, it will
I
work
think
fine.
we're lost without epoxy.
So my question was then, assuming we can't get these,
Using a toroid instead.
could we use that instead? So this one, if you measure this, and I think this is a PFC toroid, so it's for high frequency, like 400 kilohertz. Can we get the camera onto the meter?
That's 41.
41. So what we would have to do is take about half the windings off this and get it down to about 22, which we could do.
Give me a sec.
But would it work? Would
I think you
Do
can
you see what I'm
actually
saying?
break.
Dutch just yes, yeah.
It would be the
Dutch does
same.
all the audio.
and what does Dutch say?
Give me a sec.
He says it works. Yeah.
Can I break?
It works.
Can I break the line like this? No, it doesn't fit. Otherwise, I think you can break the magnetic field putting in a ferrite core.
You can take half the windings off it.
Yeah, you can also do that, I guess.
And so that's 42. It should
Oh
be about
wait,
22.
is this micro, Henry? Oh, this is 41 micro.
Yeah, it should be 22 microhenry.
Okay.
And
So
I'm guessing
Julio
about-
is saying, yeah, and we're aiming for 20, 23, 24, something.
22,
like that,
23, yeah.
Yeah, no. If I could fit
Dutch says
this
yes,
in-
Richard, you can, yes, it will work, yeah. But we went to try inductive core, theoretically it should work, you better the damn would be important to us. I have no idea if there's some high frequency response difference.
Well, what
here.
I would say, okay, so can I just interject? Sorry.
Yeah, sure. Go.
So what this coil does is, the output of the Class D amplifier is switching between the positive and negative rails. It's 400 kilohertz or thereabouts.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
This is a PFC inductor, so a PFC normally runs somewhere, somewhere in that 400 kilohertz, somewhere in that ballpark.
Yeah, it's the breakdown voltage of the breakdown of the magnetic field speed. Pretty much.
The only thing I was wondering whether this would saturate quicker or something. I don't know.
It's an air core, so yeah, it should.
But if it saturates quicker, that might not be what you need. Because if it saturates, then effectively it becomes like a short.
Yeah.
But
Do you want me to unwind a few windings?
you're welcome to.
Yeah, you can keep talking. I go for it.
Talk amongst yourself, yeah.
Okay, so what people say?
Assessment says what the amp rating on the toroid needs to be 6 amp or so, right? Yeah,
It
probably
probably
guessing.
is,
We're
but-
guessing here, but we're guessing by wire thickness because
Yeah.
We don't have any data sheets.
Yeah,
on
and by the fact of the PFC
Yeah.
inductor,
yeah,
it's
inductive
going to be
core
something
could
like that.
dissipate more heat. Okay, because it's enclosed in a container too, and the amp you would use it. It will work. Okay, it's not. It is not used to be a filter. Yeah, this is
Yeah, this is not a mains
Yeah,
filter.
yeah, that's
No.
what I mean. There's a problem. Some dynamics that won't be too important to us, unless you want to be crazy
Ah,
about.
it has
the
double
crazy
windings.
audio.
Well, yeah,
Over this
it
side.
does. So you probably have to start the other end.
No. Yeah, I can start it on the other end. It goes underneath those.
Okay, fine.
So,
So yeah, I'm thinking you'd think it should work. If Dutch says it works, I'm quite happy to
Yeah.
accept the fact it works.
yeah,
Because you can get these things fairly easily.
yeah, you can get them from
Well,
everywhere.
yeah, maybe you find them as scrap power supplies, ATX power supplies, anything that's got PFC, you'll find one of those.
At least one. Yeah.
Well, there's usually one PFC inductor. The other inductors in there are mains filter inductors. That's not the same thing. Yeah, you see down to 32.9 now.
Okay,
It's not linear, so I have to keep measuring. You don't need, half doesn't mean half of the.
yeah, Eric, bring Dutch around. Yeah. We also have Netherlands beer. Yeah,
We do.
we do somewhere you can get Heineken down at the Britannia.
Heineken is Dutch. I
Isn't
don't
We
know.
get
Heineken Dutch?
Amstel, isn't that Dutch?
I don't know.
I thought it was German.
I thought Heineken was
Come,
German.
come
as well.
I'm now happy with all the Spanish beer. Fine.
Oh, talking of which,
Oh,
More beer.
more beer. Yeah, look at the.
I'm working on this. I'm off
Both
camera.
are Dutch. Oh, okay. Learn something there.
How much do you need? 20,
Yeah, 20. Yeah, this is right. This is fine.
25,
Yeah, so
23.
23. Okay, I'll take off one more turn.
Okay.
That should do it.
then.
Detlef, San Miguel or Dorado Especial?
Dorada, por favor.
See, vale. See.
So it's not linear. That's the problem.
Muchas
gracias, señor.
Is
Venga.
You would think you need to take off half the turns to make it half the.
I would have thought so.
But it's not.
No,
It's
it's
not
not.
linear.
It's
Oh
not.
yeah, so we now have this down at 22.9.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I just took off one more turn and I went down 2.
Okay, yeah. So now you would just cut that off.
There.
Yeah, and we now have. So Class D amplifier repair.
I'm just going to tin this and make sure it stays on that temperature. Or that temperature. That.
We feel what you mean.
So you need
Yeah.
you need to set it up to 450.
Yeah, I checked.
We're on 450. And like the normal 300 and something, it's not hot enough. You need to be above that,
A lot more above, yeah.
and then get some conduction into it, and it'll go. Yep, there you go. Keep going.
Yep. Just want to make it easier for you guys later. When you're going to install this in the amplifier. Or...
I can install that into Depth amplifier. If
Yeah.
I get another one.
God damn, that was hot.
Yeah. I'll find another one off another ATX power supply, and then this is Depth amplifier.
Yeah. We can install it on that.
We can install it on that. So yeah.
Let's
Oh,
just
you
see.
can't
So
see the camera.
When you are in care of at island geweest, I think Dutch is, Eric is asking Dutch if
Exactly
you've ever been to the
22.9.
island. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
It stayed where it was.
Yeah, 22.9.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we'll do is I'll find another one of these
Careful.
off another ATX power supply. I will unwind that. We'll put them into depth amplifier,
Yeah.
and we'll make a little video about it so we can see.
And see if it works as intended.
Yeah.
There's a lot of screws here. From where?
Eric, we try to get Dutch.
same speaking.
We try to get Dutch over here for years now, and yeah, I think he wants to stay in the Netherlands. Of course, weather is better there or something.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You need a wire for something?
Because the grass is greener there.
Grass is greener on the...
in Holland, the
Yeah,
grass
that's
is.
true. Yeah. Yeah.
We have plenty of that grass over here, don't we? We have plenty of that,
we
of that
do,
grass.
we do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, here it's legal even.
Yeah, here it's well, it's either legal or tolerated. I haven't quite decided.
Yeah, it's tolerated. Let's leave it back.
Yeah.
If they see you smoking it, they don't mind. If they see you selling it, you're going to jail.
Yeah, it's the same like when you're on the carnival parade. I mean, like you can walk down the carnival parade in certain areas and get high. You don't need to smoke the stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't need to smoke it. Yeah.
You're scared.
That was just to be here, sorry.
Yeah, I did it.
There's one.
Oh, you held it
Come
again.
on.
These are all the screws out of Detlef's amplifier.
So, come on, let's raise a beer for Dutch.
Let's see. Can we get it? Do you want me to do
See
it?
you around, my friend.
Okay. San Miguel for me.
Red Bull.
Okay, so that's that.
Yeah, as X-Man says, Rich, on one of your latest videos,
Okay, I don't know what you want to
did
do with
and
these.
repaired the amp by tapping the component.
Yes.
Check out my comment on the possible bad solder joint on the board. Yeah, I think this was actually the solution there, right? When you tap the thing, it was a broken solder joint.
I did read a lot of the things. Somebody suggested that I actually caused the problem in the first place because I'd actually previously soldered that op amp, but
Saying you soldered something wrong is
no,
it can happen, but it's rare.
they don't have consequence.
Yeah. There we go.
Whoever phrased this, yeah.
Rarely
Comes
arrives. Rarely arrives looped.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, this was because of maintenance in action. Yep.
yeah.
I'll give you that, Greg.
You can screw up quite a lot when you're tired or.
So I have something to show you guys just briefly because we're going to review it.
Okay. More stuff.
Ooh,
to check.
we have something to play around here.
Where is it? This is a
I see Chinese text.
yes, off AliExpress. You just show what I've
Or
got here, 'cause-
Japanese, I'm not sure. That's Chinese.
Yeah, so I wanted to try one of these because I haven't actually.
Oh,
Yeah.
a bit
Keep it nice, Nick, because you're going to review it. But
cheap as
yeah, so on that solder station, the iPhone A9 Pro, it said that you could use that with C470 handles.
yeah. This is a C4.
This is C470, so I thought we'd try one. Have a look at
Oh,
this.
yeah.
Have a look at this baby.
That's a thick
Look
one.
at that.
That's a really thick tip.
I mean, like,
Yeah.
That's what she said.
Uh-huh.
Sorry.
I was waiting for that one.
yeah. So after the weekend, we'll have a quick play with this C470
Yeah.
to see how well it works. I mean, that is a right chunky thing. It's like,
That's really good. If it heats up enough.
well, yeah, we're gonna find out. So,
That's usually the issue with these.
I mean, that is.
It doesn't have enough voltage to heat up.
Yeah, I mean, that's big.
Is that a moo liquor? Okay. You got a
Here, put
you got
it
a
in
moo
the tip
sucker,
here.
now you got a moo liquor. Nice one. That's a hot tip. Yes, indeed. Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll have a play with that,
Yeah.
and we'll see how well it actually works.
But this is one more one for you, Rich. These amplifiers you've been working on lately. What do you think about the quality of the circuit boards on these products, or do you think the environment is very destructive to them? You can see it's very constructed circuit boards. They just seem to be low quality.
Okay, so I think actually Dad and myself were discussing this morning at the car boot sale. I don't think that the manufacturer of these amplifiers and these speakers ever intended them to be used in an outdoor environment all year round.
Yeah.
And that's what it is. These things are used outdoors all year round.
Especially here with the salt and the
Yeah.
sand.
And so no, I think they're not being used in the environment they were intended for.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, we're playing with the band right now in the park down the street, and they have all the amplifiers outside. The speakers are outside all day. They don't put them in there because these are big speakers,
Yeah.
and they
Too heavy.
yeah, they don't want to look it around, so this stays outside. So and
All day, all night.
yeah, we got the salty air, we got the UV, so if it's not
I
in the
should
shade.
turn this off. It's
Yeah.
200 degrees.
Okay.
There we go.
Yeah, so I think they're just being used outside of the context they were designed to be used. And
Yeah.
Everything here corrodes away. Yep.
Yeah, no.
Except for cars. Cars don't corrode here.
Well, it's because they are actually coated.
Yeah, so I mean, my 1999 Nissan Vanette 2.3D is still going.
Yeah, even if
I mean, I've had it for
you can't get any parts for it.
I've had it for 7 years or so. Yeah,
I had to fix your water pump
Yeah, so it's a
because
water
you
Couldn't
couldn't
get
get one. I fixed it with special hardening metallic epoxy because you couldn't even weld to it. The aluminium was so badly corroded. So it's running on epoxy. It's a special metallic epoxy. Won't break under high temperatures and high pressures. So
Okay.
I make sure to buy the good stuff for Rich.
Thank you. So we have something else we've got. Detlef.
You want to make some noise?
Yeah. Detlef, what have you been buying?
I brought something, and it's not a guitar, and it's not a keyboard.
Holy crap! It's digital drums. Not far off a keyboard then.
So to the people for
Show the people what it-
box.
Oh, sorry.
And Detlef paid how much for this, Det?
Look, it's digital drums. It's a tenner.
A tenner. €10.
Yeah.
That okay. That's
At the car boot sale.
Yeah.
okay,
So
let's-
we haven't tested this. This is just live. Yeah, we got this
quality.
right out of the box, indeed.
Floppy quality.
Floppy drums.
Yeah, but
The first question I wanted to know, can we get the camera on this?
wait,
I found something I want.
see the
Foot pedal. For the moose sucker.
Yeah.
Two pedals for the moose
The
sucker.
cameras are breaking apart.
Okay, so my first question to that was that it says on here,
Crash.
crash. And then it says, crash, Tom. Yeah, crash, Tom? Yeah, Tom. But I saw Tom, I said, where's Dick and Harry? Like Tom, Dick and Harry, you see, because this is an English thing.
Yeah.
But
That's
no,
a dad. You know that this is a dad joke, right?
Yeah, we get it. There's no Dick and there's no Harry. Electronic drum.
It has a USB connector.
Really?
Oh, USB
Oh, yeah.
A to B.
Oh, okay, interesting.
So it's powered by USB.
Headphone pedal. Okay, it doesn't have speakers, so we need to connect somehow to the
I can probably
speaker
do this.
system.
I can believe I can do this.
yeah.
Give me a minute.
Double pedals. Yeah, you have to.
Well,
Okay.
Yeah, of course, you need a hi-hat, so open
Yeah.
the hi-hat.
Okay.
And
Okay.
one of them will be bass drum.
Yeah, it's actually
Sustain pedal.
drawn in even.
Okay, these from a piano. Look at this. Sustain pedal.
Yeah.
These from a piano.
I'm just going to unplug the speakers from the computer.
Yeah, the speakers are not active.
They're unplugged now. The question is, are they long enough to actually...
Okay,
Let's have a look.
looks good. Looking good. It's still looking good.
We'll just get there.
Are these charged? I'm guessing
Okay, so we have enough wire to plug the speakers in.
All right, I'll try to switch cameras now because I need to stand up. And, speaking as a guitar player, most drummers are already dicks. Why? I mean, I play everything, so what makes this me?
Both a dick and not.
This kind of makes you versatile. Ambidextrous or something.
Ambidextrous dick. Yeah.
It is clicking, isn't it? Yes.
We got
Speakers are working.
Speakers are working.
Okay. I'm just unraveling
Do
the.
you need a stick or can you just...
Sorry, sorry.
You don't need the pedals. You don't need the pedals.
Oh, you
What are the pedals for?
For hi-hat and bass drum.
MP3. What?
Yeah, you probably can put an MP3 so to play along.
Okay, pedals go there.
It says headphones.
You know these guys are not musicians. So,
No.
yeah, I'm going to.
Hang on, but there's two pedals, there's only one socket.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's a stereo
both
thing,
pedals.
yeah.
Oh, stick them in.
Sure, why not?
Pedals,
On,
right, on,
power.
On,
power on.
on.
Yeah, I think I put it on. Yeah, I do. Nothing yet.
You sure this is on?
You sure this is on?
You sure this is on?
No, that turned off. Piece of shit. I hate this.
Yeah, this thing is
They're
awful.
two
Yeah.
main powered ones.
There, this is on now.
Yes.
Oh! Oh!
This one doesn't work. No. Not bad.
Oh, hang on, that's the drummer. Come on, Det.
Ah, this is the hi-hat, okay? And that's
Oh my
the big
God.
drum.
Hi-hat? This is not a hi-hat, this is a crash.
Crash doesn't work.
Sorry guys,
Hang on, I thought you were a drummer.
I'm
Yeah.
not.
My hi-hat doesn't work.
Can you give us a tune? Yeah. Those 5-year-old kids I see on the marching drum bands, they do better than that.
So one of the buttons is.
So that's why it was there, because your crash doesn't work.
But
Oh, but that brought.
Okay.
crash needs to be repaired. Yeah. Bass player, Skippy, you're a bass player, man. We can do a.
I'm just checking if there is somewhere it works. No.
Remember these, Rich?
What the hell are these? Oh, holy crap!
Sorry for the bad camera angle.
That brought these for a few years.
Yeah. Back in the days, these were laying around in my place for about a year now. And
What
these
is
are,
this?
This is an electronic drum pad.
These two?
Yeah.
Where do you smack it?
On the other side.
Oh no, that's right.
This side.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You just do. You know what? The rebound on this one, the other one is even better. Yeah.
Okay. Ah, it has a pressure plate.
And it actually has different,
Okay, so-
different pickups here. And the idea is steal the electronics from here as a sound generator and using this one as a drum thing because
Okay.
Why is that not making any noise anymore?
the power bank fell asleep. You're sitting at the power bank. See?
Stupid power bank.
So shall we see if we can fix your crash? Oh,
That's not it. Right?
funky drummer.
Cool.
It works for 10 euros.
Apart from crash.
Yeah. This one really.
Oh.
Oh my god. Help.
Oh, you could have hours of fun with that.
Oh, fuck.
And you could really.
Lily is not getting this, by the way.
Really?
No.
Oh, give that to your daughter,
Oh,
really.
fuck no. There's no way she's getting this. The piano was already a pain in the ass.
Oh dear.
The crash is crash, yeah. As good as Ringo. No.
So can we get behind? Can we?
I don't know how you get in there. I think he has to cut it. No, wait.
Well,
Let's get the camera on this.
try to get in.
Yeah,
in there.
you can get this off and then you can.
Shall we have a look?
Yeah.
Are the guys interested to see what's inside this?
Are you guys interested in see how this works?
Yeah,
What's
before
inside it?
We're just bringing back the DJ scratching talent. Yeah,
Yep.
yeah, I could see that.
Okay,
You use them in the parades.
only vote wins.
Bring them back to this. That's true. Yeah. Did you scratch it? Correct.
There is a battery as well.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, you know, for a tenner, I'm.
For a tenner, minus the crash. You should have paid him 9.
Yeah.
So yeah, can we fix it?
You can't test stuff. Yeah, actually, you should bring a battery bank with you next time.
Yeah.
Fixing isn't that important. I think if we can get to the inputs and use the big parts, because I have 3 of them.
Yeah, I can
Yeah,
check for
then you can really.
I'm already disassembling the case.
The one thing it doesn't have any dynamics, so doesn't matter how hard you hit the thing. It's always
Always the same sound. Yeah.
always the same sound, always the same level.
Okay.
My nails couldn't get there.
Yeah, okay. So
But even at fast batteries,
Crunchy, nice batteries.
that are already crunchy. Oh, very nice.
Holy shit, and they don't weigh anything. Is the piece of shit batteries.
This runs on 3 volts. Oh, of course. Yeah,
the USB.
USB is only 5, so yeah.
Okay, so I should be able to pull this off. Yeah.
yeah.
And the mat comes with it, and you can split it in the middle.
Oh.
Nice.
Can we see there?
Okay. So let's see.
So this like
How's this
it's like a keyboard memory.
This is just like in your Spectrum.
Yeah, exactly. The same actually.
Oh well, it looks
So
like
this will delaminate eventually.
no, this will open up. Just go gently at it. This will actually open up.
The crash is the broken one, so
Yeah,
go from here.
Go from there.
And they're probably
No, this is
piezo
sealed.
elements. In the big parts, these are usually piezo elements.
This is sealed.
No, I
here.
don't think the piezo at all.
Is this sealed?
Oh, could be that in there something.
You have
like
to
the
cut this
keyboard.
open with a knife. You can't get in otherwise. From this corner, you have a lip. You can cut underneath.
Okay.
Can I get a camera on that? Smittings.
I'm trying to get the lip open so you can see. So it's glued together with silicone glue.
Well, you see, it splits.
Yeah, but
from here, it splits.
Yeah, it splits, but you have to cut it open.
Skippy, I would guess piezos too, because all these drum sets are piezo.
You still
But
have to cut it open, Rich.
Could be that they're
Sharp
using
knife?
something like a
Yeah, very sharp knife. And
like a spectrum.
What does Detlef think? Are we allowed to?
Detlef gave me the knife, so
Yeah.
I got his answer.
I might have a better knife. Oh, no, it's the same knife.
You have the same knife.
Give me a sec.
Try not to destroy it, but just see.
Yeah, I'm trying. Alcohol. No,
Try not to destroy yourself.
Nope.
This is way more important. Yeah.
it won't work. I cut through it.
I saw alcohol on the glue. That could work. Yeah. So not so destructive.
It's silicone glue, so I don't think alcohol will work. Look,
Okay.
it's literally fused together.
He doesn't think alcohol work, but we can give him a beer and then see what happens.
Yeah.
This won't work. Yeah.
No, you have to cut it open literally underneath.
Alcohol might work.
Yeah, alcohol, but
A couple of beers and you'll be no problem.
yeah. Okay, so for your second idea, pads. Yeah, you just unscrew this and you have pads.
Yeah. This is what I would do. Yeah.
So how many wires are there in that?
Oh, look at this. This is the whole controller. The whole controller.
5, 6, 7, 8 plus ground. So 8.
There's 8.
1,
Yeah.
2, 3.
There's 7 drums.
7. Yeah, plus ground.
Yeah.
Oh no, the pedals are also they come.
They go directly into
Yeah.
the board. So they
Yeah,
don't go through the actual.
And the whole controller is just one chip.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
blob.
That.
Yeah.
It's a blob.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you have access to all the buttons as well. Yeah, not too bad.
And this goes directly here to the.
You just solder wires to whatever is underneath here, and it's because it's pressure mounted. It's pads.
In fact, can't we solder the wires to where the pull-up resistors are?
Yeah, of course you can, but he doesn't want this.
No.
So
I'm not sure this would be compatible because I'm guessing these are switches.
I think these are switches. I don't think these
It's
are
just
pizza
like-
at all. I think
just like,
each one of these
membrane switches.
is a membrane switch.
Yeah, just like a keyboard on a single spectrum.
Or any even a modern PC keyboard.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
With that
true.
mechanical
Yeah.
switch. Yeah, that's.
Yeah, it's
Because,
the exact same
So
setup.
you would think you could probably get this all to work.
You need to clean this off, but you need to open it.
Right.
Yeah. So if you cut a small slit here, but on the side, and spray in contact cleaner,
I've got some.
you should be able to get it clean
you
enough
should
doing this.
Easily find out because can you tell where ground is? No, you can't.
No.
But since when there are switches, they will keep the contact when you press them down. With a piezo, you just get a pulse.
Get the pulse, yeah, true.
This is not piezo.
No, I agree
This is
with
like a
Rich.
keyboard membrane.
I agree with Rich. This is not a piezo. Okay, give me a sec. I'm going to see if I can get in here without stabbing myself.
That would be good.
Paul, I don't think that a bath would really help.
I don't want.
Hang on a sec. Maybe the problem isn't in here. Maybe the problem was on the connection here.
Oh, true. Do you have something to unscrew these?
I think I would be able to find something for that.
He's right. You should start at the easiest point first.
Absolutely, yeah.
I screw that up a lot.
Yeah.
Try the hardest thing first, and then.
Don't go down the rabbit hole.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Because if they just contact, we should with a multimeter, when we push on the switch, we should be able to see whether it makes a contact or not.
Then what pads then traces on the flex PCB? It's more likely a matrix. Yeah.
I think it's a matrix. I think it's a matrix. I think it's scanning.
Before we start destroying the line keypad, let's verify
Yeah, like a little
the
adapter.
failure.
Yeah.
Yes, Lorne. Yeah.
Okay.
Is that the one? This is it then.
And it has to be a thicker one. Yeah. So that. There we go.
Okay.
Skippy, no, they weren't dynamic. This is just output 100%.
Yeah, then there is no point to put in piezos, pretty much, if it's not dynamic. Piezos is for the dynamic feedback.
Yeah, and this is a problem with the pad I brought, so you can't use this because a piezo pulse in there will probably destroy the electronics.
Okay. So that comes off.
Yep. And
So if we get some switch
and
cleaner.
the ground is behind.
Okay, so if we get some cleaner.
Oh, that could be the problem, that it's not grounding. No, wait, then the other ones
And
wouldn't
the other
work.
one wouldn't work, yeah.
It has the same amount of contacts on the backside.
Can we get a camera in?
Oof, give me a light.
A light? Oh, sure, yeah.
Yeah, not for smoking.
Not set you on fire. One light.
Hold.
Light.
Hold.
I'm holding. It's just blinked.
Try
Okay,
on.
next one. Yeah,
See how this works.
yeah, there. See, it has the same amount of contacts on the backside.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah,
But
but
only
it
one wire.
only uses one of them. Huh.
Okay.
Interesting. This looks clean. Give me some contact cleaner.
Yeah.
Just because it looks clean, it doesn't mean it is.
Did you roll?
That's one thing I've learned from video games. The controllers, when I open them up, they look pristine, but
This contact cleaner has an issue.
Oh, this one.
It doesn't work very well.
doesn't matter. Just give me something to scrub with. Yeah.
Did you roll?
Yeah, that works.
Okay.
I usually use a eraser, a hard eraser for.
A rubber.
Yeah, a rubber for.
I have one if you want to use it.
For the blackboards. Not blackboards. What do you call it?
No.
Yeah.
Pencils.
It had some dirt.
Carlos?
It had some dirt. It's
I'll try to get you in
It's
the
dark.
light, yeah, because the camera's.
yeah. You see the dark spot there? That's from the connector. So
Yeah.
it was a little.
All around.
Yeah, perfect. This is what I use to fix the connectors on video games,
Yeah.
actually, and it works quite well.
So when we were in school, we called that
A rubber.
rubber.
Yeah.
And there's people that they laugh when you call it a rubber.
Yeah, because it's a condom.
Yeah, but a condom was a Durex.
Yeah, but that's a brand now.
I know, but it's still what we called them.
Yeah, of course, it was the most popular brand.
Well, actually thinking about it, when we were that age, we called that a rubber. We didn't even know what a condom was.
Yeah, true. I could get behind that. Okay, let's see. I don't think this is the problem. I think actually the.
Yeah. I have told you this, by the way, haven't I? That in Australia, they call condoms sellotape. It's a brand.
Sellotape.
Yeah, so don't ask for a roll of sellotape. Australia don't ask for a roll of sellotape because how many condoms?
Sellotape.
Yeah, I heard this. Yeah, it's what they call it.
What, or were they that primitive that they use sellotape for?
I've heard this. That sellotape is a brand of condom in Australia.
Really?
I've heard that.
That's probably the worst brand name ever.
No, I'm wrong about that. No. Durex.
Yeah.
Durex is a brand of sellotape in
okay.
Australia.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good. That makes more sense.
Durex is a brand of.
Because being durable is not just for condoms.
Yeah.
But
So if an Australian comes over here and asks for a roll of Durex,
I won't send him to the pharmacy then.
and say they don't come in rolls.
I don't know. I haven't bought a roll yet.
No.
Okay, let's see. So this is nice and clean now, but still, I don't believe that will help a lot.
Well, we're going to find out.
We're about to find out. Okay, knives, all inside their sheaths.
Yeah.
I don't want to stab you guys.
Just check out.
you.
Where's the dildo of consequences? Is he somewhere safe?
This is pedals. Don't need those. Dildo of consequence.
Dildo of consequences well out of the way.
Yeah, good.
Okay. What was that? I started with that.
Next time you choose the comment of the day, vote of the day thing. I heard the.
Yeah, no, still does.
Oh, he's broke another one now.
Yeah.
Yeah, now you got.
Now it's worse.
Interesting. Why? I put.
Consequence.
Yeah. I didn't touch the wires, so.
Nope, he's broke another
Yeah.
one.
So it's bad contact, or either
Well,
the
the
wire. This could be the laminating. It's like
Sure.
like the Vectrex.
Yeah, the fact that doing that has caused it to go worse makes me think the problem is there because you haven't affected that.
You had these sharp nosed pliers, right?
Yeah.
Let me try making contact somewhere there.
Now you mean on the?
Yeah, just short circuiting the.
Well, then what I would tend to do there is I tend to put a scope on the pulp resistors and then touch things and see where they.
I would go very easy and simply do short circuits.
Ask the guys out there what they would
this
do.
This is the moment when the power bank just starts shutting.
Ask the guys out there what they would do.
I hate the power bank, but otherwise, yeah. Okay, so because it got worse, yeah, it could be either the wire inside it's delaminating and breaking, because this is painted on silver paint.
Camera's breaking up. Sorry.
Yeah.
Can everybody go to my suggestion and ask all the guys out there what they would do?
They would throw it away in the trash, I guess. That's my guess.
So why, the fact it's gone worse when you clean that suggests something to me.
Yeah.
It suggests that it's nothing to do with this, it's to do with that.
Yeah, exactly. So I think actually the problem is in this.
Chained unicorn is on my side, just too short. Yeah.
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 True.
Patrick says just use a multimeter to test the switches. Yeah.
Yeah. I think it's scanning these. It's like a keyboard.
Yeah. I think you're right.
Should we get the scope?
If you want to.
Do we have any other chance?
Is there any other way we could do it, really?
Yeah, sure. You just simply short the things.
Scope? Oh, okay. Right, guys, do we get the scope or do we just start shorting connections on that ribbon and see what happens?
Just give me a wire and start shorting.
Yeah, this is what I mean.
We're going for consequence. Okay, right. Let me get you a wire you wanted.
I just need to find a graph.
I tell you what's better than the wire. How about your multimeter and current mode, and then you got the two.
Yeah, that works.
Yeah.
It's the same thing.
Oh, people are all over the place. So, scope, short them, scope and short shit.
Both of them there. Okay, let's disconnect the silicone mat then, I guess.
So if I put this onto the 20 amps range, yeah, it's not going to pass 20 amps, obviously, but what you have now...
If it does, something's really wrong.
Something really weird.
Let me just get this off. Okay, there we go.
Okay, so
and the ground is where exactly?
Oh, we connect to all of them.
The entire back plate is ground.
Okay, so the fact that some of them are working means that the ground is okay.
Yeah, exactly.
So it can only be, so what we need to do is now you need to probably solder a bit of wire.
This one is not connected to anything. Yeah, the last one, so it's only 7.
Yeah, so
guys, you got.
Oh yeah, no, 7 plus ground.
You got parts. You simply need to short some circuits and see
but you
what
probably
happens.
need to solder a wire to the back so you've got ground because you can't get under there easily with the. Remember, it rarely comes lubed. Yeah, remember this.
Yeah, I remember.
You don't have any connections now. You can't hear anything.
Oh yeah, no power.
No power,
Yeah.
no audio.
No power, no
It's getting late, guys.
Yeah, I've barely slept. Sorry, guys. Okay, let's get the power bank that stays on.
The mains one over there.
Yeah.
Use one of these. Yeah. They're always
Jesus
on.
Christ. I hate these that turn off by themselves because they don't sense anything.
Not sensitive enough.
Just.
Okay.
I heard a pop. You sure it's on?
Oh yes.
Oh wait. What
No, it's not. Milliamps.
No, I'm on amps range, 20 amps range.
Oh yeah, you are. What?
No.
So
Why is this done? No.
You're not outputting anything right now because reasons.
You got to be shitting me. Did it turn off?
Try this.
well, the light's on.
Yeah, now it's on. Yeah. Okay, ground. There.
Ground. Good idea.
Assuming that it's ground.
Yeah, there could be that has.
No,
It turned off.
No.
it did. Or you shorted something out and you broke it.
Yeah, probably.
Let's try this again. I hate these.
I broke it. No.
No, it's back on
You
again.
didn't break.
No, it was just.
Faster. Just do it.
Nope.
No,
So it's not ground. It's using something else.
probably a pole.
If it's a matrix.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
off again.
It turns off.
Okay, I do the switch on and off duty. Wait, I have an idea. This takes some current to stay awake.
Okay.
Yeah. Stupid.
No. Oh!
Come on. I'm having issues.
This is why I said you need to solder a wire from where
Yeah.
it goes to.
Matrix. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, Matrix. 100%.
This
It still turned off. It's such a pain. This would have gone in the trash 3 times.
Wait. Got another idea.
His daisy chaining.
We put his cheap voltmeters in series, and you hope that this draws enough current to keep the USB output awake.
Yeah, stupid. Stupid chargers. Come on.
Nope.
I know, I got it. There.
Off it goes.
Okay, we know it works because I made it make noise.
Yeah, you made it making noise. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, let me try the power banks. Maybe the other power banks are more sensitive.
Okay, it's on. Let's see if it stays
It's all
on.
stacked up.
Is this the same? No. Of course not. Why would it be? I just need to stay on one pad. No, it doesn't want to. Oh, no, I pushed the button. I pushed this one by mistake.
I'm switching on duty now.
Yeah.
Oh, harm is gone. Have a good one, my friend. See you in 2 weeks.
No, this is not making enough contact, unfortunately. Ah, there we go. I'm wedging my finger underneath and pushing up. Huh. Could be a ground issue then.
Huh.
Because I am on them.
No.
Yeah, I think I have to modify the thing anyways, because this is horrible.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
that sucks ass. Okay, no, so I can't get it to make noise anymore.
Oh. Chuck multimeter probe, says Eric.
Oh. Good idea.
Oh!
You mother.
How did you make that noise with pressing the button?
No, I didn't press a button. The problem is there is a gap in between them. It wants to go there for some reason. No, I can't get it to work again. So I get one sound from it and then it dies.
Sorry guys, my phone's ringing.
Okay. Oh well, we give up on this.
We give up for now, yeah.
You can use it, but you need to find a way to increase the power draw.
I'm going to have a bit of fun with that.
Hello, Eric from the Netherlands. I'm in the middle. Oh, I thought we were watching the live stream, which we were in the
Start
Netherlands.
depth.
Okay, let's put you on to speaker. Come on.
Maybe he wants to check the multimeter
Yeah, I did.
and put it in the COM port.
Yes. So what you want to? So you put the red one in the 20 amps and the black one in the COM port. Thank you.
Richard.
Wow.
Thank you. Try again.
Screw you, Richard. I asked you if it was okay. I didn't even double check. I thought something was off. Yeah.
Thank you, Eric.
Okay, turn the multimeter on again, Luke.
Yeah.
Go to amps.
Yeah, there we go.
And then we try again.
And this should work.
With some power and...
God damn it. I'm high. What's your excuse?
The dildo just called.
Yeah.
Oh!
I activated something.
This is demo. Let's switch it off and on again, yeah.
I activated something without pushing a button. Interesting.
Nice.
Try them individually. 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, so how many do you have working?
This one doesn't work, and these 3 don't work.
So how many working? How many work?
I don't know. I didn't
Count them.
Okay.
And then count the buttons.
Not working.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many pads you got?
7.
7. So the problem's with the pads.
Yep. So it is this one that's dead.
Yeah, I know. I just wanted to get rid of the pads anyways. So,
Yeah, so-
this is not a problem.
So this works.
Yeah.
Good. Job done. Thank you. Damn you, Richard. I asked you. I knew something was off, but I'm too high to even notice.
I couldn't see this from here. But...
No, I didn't.
No, I noticed something was off, but I couldn't put my finger on it.
Thanks, Eric.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Phone call from a viewer to help us with this freaking multimeter. That's awesome. I think that's a world first.
That's a world. Yeah, that's the first. Okay, ask us anything, time, man. I think.
Yeah,
I think
it's time for that.
15 minutes left. Yep.
Because we've done everything we can do.
Here you have this. Oh, you can run it on batteries, and then you don't need to
Yeah.
worry about the stupid.
To reduce this. Yeah.
Oh, I can show you what else. I got something else in.
Let's mount this all together to so I can play around with that.
Okay.
Yeah, and I can remember how it was mounted because I'm not.
Yeah.
So-
Sorry.
We have some of these.
No problem. Every time you touch this, it's cool yourself.
Yeah, I know, it's weird. Okay, so
They were going to
ask us anything, and then we can show you.
while I'm putting this together for that.
Okay.
Stupid screw.
Not asking anything.
I want.
Yeah, go. You go. You wanted to show the people something.
Yeah.
Okay, so
So how many pre-orders do I get for the Moose Soccer 2000?
the moose sucker.
Did anybody already did the Kickstarter campaign?
Yeah. So I bought some of these from AliExpress again.
Oh, these things.
Do a little review. Came with one of these little chargers.
Why?
And inside these things, if I just find one, there's a battery. Yeah, this. So that, can we see it?
I can't get closer to it right now. Sorry.
That is a battery.
Battery.
Yeah.
Wow. That's
And
small.
even better, it's a rechargeable battery.
It's a rechargeable battery. So to charge the battery,
So how many milliamp hours is that?
this is what you charge it with. But let me show you. So if we take this little plastic cover off the end,
Okay, it's
and
I know,
and we screw the end back on.
you exploded.
No.
Sadly not.
You can always hope.
Oh, this one isn't charged. We had one charged, so this has a little LED, and these are fishing floats for night fishing. But these batteries are so small and thin, and thanks to the embedded hobbies for finding these.
Embedded hobbyists.
Yeah, are you a fisherman?
No, I'm not.
No, the embedded hobbies. So.
Oh yeah, he probably is.
Mr. Embedded, are you a fisherman? So anyway, we thought these are ideal for the little project with the signal injector.
Oh, good idea.
Patrick says 25 milliamp hours.
25.
Yeah.
That's quite a lot for that small space.
Yeah, the tiny little things.
One or not yet?
Tarde. Not noche yet.
Really?
It's not notches.
It's not notches?
No, it's buenos tardes.
When is notches?
Night.
Buenos tardes.
Okay.
It's afternoon.
Yeah.
Well, it's almost 7.
Yeah, you're almost there.
see, I was close.
We are on the cusp.
I don't really care because I call it Buenos Dias. I don't care if they say tardes because it's not tarde for me. It's still the day, so Dias works.
All right.
Yeah.
I go for the logical choice.
I go for the locals and just say buena,
Buenas, yeah.
buenas.
Yeah, it's easier, then you don't need to worry
a
about
little
it.
bit of time. One of my other things I liked about Spanish, by the way, is this morning is esta mañana.
Esta mañana.
Esta mañana, which means like this tomorrow. So if you want to say like in the morning, it's esta mañana, isn't it?
Yeah, mañana is
Tomorrow.
morning as
Mañana
well.
is really.
Yes.
Mañana
has
is tomorrow one morning.
Yeah, it has two meanings. Unfortunately, yeah, not confusing at all for people. That's trying to.
Because I thought esta mañana was like this tomorrow.
No, hasta mañana is until tomorrow. Esta mañana is this morning.
Say them again. How are they different?
Hasta mañana.
Hasta mañana.
Yeah.
Oh, hasta is until.
Yeah. Or esta is this morning.
Yeah, esta mañana is this morning.
Yeah.
Hasta mañana is
Yeah.
until tomorrow.
Yeah, I know, it's
until the
confusing.
morning. Yeah, no,
Okay.
I'm okay.
Without
Sorry, but then
disturbing
what
your very interesting conversation there.
Yeah. Okay.
Judge asks, when are we getting to more car booties? Paul says Mana's bread. No, it's a very good bun. Mana's a really good bun. You get those battery for fishing floats too. They change the color when a fish bites and pulls the float underwater. All right, manana.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
What was Josh asking about car booties? Do you mean
Really?
retro? Do you mean retro PC car booties?
I think he means it's Dutch. Yeah, he probably does. Yeah.
Okay, at the moment I don't have any. The guy I buy most of them from has not been there since about
It's been dry.
April because it's a very quiet time of year. I have seen him a couple of times and he says he is coming back on the market and he asked me if I wanted any more computers and had I found any. So in the last 3 or 4 months I've found maybe 3 or 4 which I've used on videos. So as soon as I have some more of the guys back, then yeah. I mean I love doing those videos, but after 4 years I've probably bought 400 of them, you know.
Yeah.
And there's
You're their best client.
but there's only so many.
Yeah. Retro stuff, because we're on island, is on short supply. I can't even get my hands on old consoles anymore very easily.
Because you bought them all.
Yeah, I have like 7 lying around I have to do videos on. So
Yeah. Yeah, so as soon as I can get any more retro computers, I mean, if you want to see other stuff from the car boot, I'm sure we can find other stuff to play with.
But that would maybe experience with changing the chipset, see if that works, would be fun. Wow, okay. There's another flea market near Las Palmas.
yes, there is.
There is. I've been to that flea market, but in the past I've not really found anything there.
So the problem with the flea market in Las Palmas is a mixed market. It's market for people that resell stuff,
Yes.
and a market for normal people that sell their crap.
Yeah, it's segundo man,
Yeah.
which is second hand, but it's also clothes and it's a mixed. Yeah, you're right. It's a mixed market. It's not.
So there is not a lot of stalls with normal stuff.
It's not flea. It's not just a flea market.
Yeah, it's a mixed market, and it's worse than the market here in the south. There is one more in Vecindario, once a month.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe.
I've been there a couple of times, but same there. A lot of clothes, not enough.
I mean, Vecindario is about 10 minutes drive, 12 minutes, something like that.
Yeah, it's not far away.
It's not far away.
So we can get there. It's in the middle-ish part of the island. But near a freeway, so it's really easy to get there. It's behind the shopping center. To
Yeah,
the
that
right,
one's
to the
good.
right.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, so if you go through the shopping centre and back, if you go back
Oh,
out
yeah,
to
where
the
the big
rear
places,
entrance,
where the big
where
places,
all the
yeah.
graffiti is.
Yeah,
Okay.
the, you're right on the money. Exactly
Okay.
where the graffiti is.
There's-
I'll check when it's next time, and I'll tell you.
Okay.
Yeah, great.
Okay, we tried.
Want to see something funny?
What's that?
It's a controller for a drone.
Where's the drone?
We don't need a drone for this because this controller, these are the RC2s from VTIs, they now have a flight simulator included. I don't know, most of you guys are not so much in drones, but this is really cool. They have a included flight simulator, and the cool part is not the flight simulator, it's great that that's in there, but you learn on the controls you're flying the drone with.
Does your car booty have fleas?
So
Probably, yeah.
I think I let Carlos fly a bit, and I don't have a video out on this
So
one,
you want to crash me crashing?
You can do this, yeah. Go for immersive flight.
Okay.
Wait, I need to switch cameras first.
It's touchscreen, right?
Yeah. And choose the island. Rich,
Yeah.
you haven't seen the island. The island.
I've followed around the
Yeah,
city.
the island is really cool.
Okay, third person.
Yeah. You need to place the drone. It says place drone somewhere.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, you place the drone. Pull the sticks middle to the middle and down.
Yeah.
Both.
Down and inwards.
Both
No,
middle.
down and
middle,
inwards.
middle.
Down and inwards.
Yeah.
Okay, middle.
Down,
You're ready.
there.
Yeah, you're ready done. Right stick up. Left stick up. Whee!
It's off.
Let's do a deadlift. Go too close to the water.
Thank you. Don't fly too close to the water.
Watch out for the consequence.
Not at all calling you out.
It's a video game.
It is a video game.
No, it's not a video game.
It is.
There's nothing happening in there, but you can fly around.
There are video games that have less action than this.
And you know what? This is great to learn to feel how a drone would react, because you're on the controls.
Yeah, I want to see if it crashes.
Yeah, I have a reflight controller that works with a software plus, but it also controls the radio control airplane. Very useful device when you're learning. Well, Don, I get this all in one thing here, and
I agree. This is cool.
This came up with an update, so this is something new.
This is free, so
Yeah.
not bad.
Andrew, no training for soldiers on the Ukraine used auto flight, and now you switch it off.
Yeah. You know what? For training, it's awesome.
This is great. Yeah.
Because a drone, most people can't afford crashing it more than once.
Really?
True.
I can't even afford one. No, not at all throwing shade.
This is very true.
I learned from my mistakes.
Yeah, I hope
think.
so.
Woo.
Those were some very expensive mistakes.
These were expensive mistakes, indeed.
Training for soldiers. Okay, yeah, no.
Ukraine used autopilot. These were not DJI drones. These were software control, and they were €200 class. So this wasn't a DJI. What they did with the Russian planes.
Mm-hmm.
I'm in the electric motor.
It has a starter capacitor. Is there a problem fitting a bigger one?
What, a bigger what? Capacitor?
No, a bigger one is fine. A smaller one won't start the windings. So, I fixed Susie's car not too long ago. So
Okay.
the starter motor didn't want to start, so I put just a big one.
Could you imagine 40 years ago when you had to make an airplane out of balsa wood? Yeah, balsa wood.
Yeah.
And attempting to build it.
Then take it to first flight. Oh my God, yeah. The nerves. You've been building it for 6 months and then you crash it.
They had petrol engines on them in them days.
Or they catch fire. Either way.
Yeah.
As X-Man, I can only say I think the drone wanted to be a submarine. So it went into the sea and
Yeah. And it was the most expensive drone that went into
of course. Of course it was the expensive one. This never happens with the cheap ones.
Blue. Another perfect example.
There are no consequences.
So I think we have to fill 2 minutes now.
No, we don't. Come on.
Yeah, you usually don't know how to fly a plane if you're doing small mock-up planes of balsa.
And with these controllers with the DJI stuff, this is so easy to fly.
Okay. Gordon's off. Okay, Gordon. I still like to fly model planes. Death helicopters for death.
So for YouTube for the recording of the drones, we have some of the
Gran Canaria Uncovered had some
Gran
videos.
Canaria Uncovered had some videos on there with a
Did
drone
you put up the crash?
Yeah, it's Gran Canaria
No, we don't
Uncovered.
put up the crash.
No, we didn't put up the crash.
No. That's too bad.
And the one where
Just tap the name in Gran Canaria Uncovered.
and the one with the submarine drone can't recover the footage because
They
drowned.
No, but there was a footage where you almost hit the rock and you went just above it and missed it.
This is
That's on the Puerto Mogan video.
yeah, it was one of the first things we flew.
Detlef.
Yeah, I read this.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I didn't see the
So okay, I think we're done for the day.
Yeah, we're done for the day for this week.
Yeah.
Back in a couple of weeks' time. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Yeah, and we see you in a fortnight. Yeah.
Yeah. And you know what? We will watch
yeah.
That's been a good laugh this week.
Yeah, boys.
And the last word, consequences.
Yeah. Consequences.